Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be drawing a person in a sitting pose or a sitting position. So this is how we are going to go about this. So we need a vertical, an arc like this. We'll do the shoulders somewhere here. So it is at a certain slight angle, not too much perspective going there, but some of it. So that'll be the torso, that is the lower part of the body, and this is where the action really will be in this particular case. So we're going to first explore with the knee here, right up till here. So that is the thigh, knee, and the corresponding shin and calf right there, and the foot will come somewhere here. Adjoined to this is the other leg, which for now we're going to put down like so, and the adjoining knee and shin, the calf and shin, and the other foot right there. So it is a little messy right now, but we're going to give this a little more balance as we grab a pen and begin putting some framework around this. So let's actually, because since this is the real purpose of, because we've done many videos with the sitting positions, and you could check those out. There are various sitting positions, but this is one that we have not explored yet. It is very, very common to see this sitting position. It's very instrumental in I think in more ways than one, and it can like make for a really expressive and well done illustration if it is necessary. So right here we have the composition for, so that's the knee, calf and shin, and there's the knee and calf and shin. And then now the upper body, there are like few different things that we can do, and so one of them is like, let's put out the delts here first and let's explore with those. So one thing that is very common, by the way, chest area is somewhere around there, so it's scrunched behind that knee, or part of it is pretty much. And what we can do with the arms is, sorry, that pen is out pretty much. So we're going to grab ourselves a different pen and get going on this. Same for the orange. So one very commonly used placement of the arm and hand is along these lines. That's a little backwards, sorry. But also you could have the same hand just tilted a little bit like this, and we can have the hand placed like that. The other hand, in a very common practice, usually goes so the other hand in a very common practice usually goes somewhere along those lines, Or we could also have the hand going right to the side, and then placed here at the front of the knee. There's the elbow and there's the arm again. As for the head, so to make it like really expressive, and you could Google some images and see how this like works for you. So if I have him looking down like this, so really makes for sort of an expressive position. Now this could be like any character in this pose, I think is going to like really stand out. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do this. So I have him looking there. Forearm is not accurate, so we'll put this out a little bit. So just we need to just like make changes and make corrections as we're going. That forearm is a little crunched, so it is really like that, and then bending. Brought the foot up a little higher. Looks better that way. That can make for a quite expressive positioning. So there we have it. Person sitting down, and in that particular propped up knee pose, I'm not sure what to exactly like call this, but very popular and very practical sitting position. Please do check out our other videos as well that explore different sitting positions. They're very instrumental, and I hope that this was of some help. We put out content every day, so please do subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.